Before you buy a dash cam in 2026, watch this. Two of these dash cams claim 4K recording, but only one of them could actually capture a clear license plate at night. I tested some of the most popular dash cams to see which ones actually protect you during an accident, and which ones are just marketing hype. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best dash cams you can buy in 2026, starting with the budget options and ending with the best dash cam overall. And the number 1 camera completely surprised me. Before we start, here's how I ranked these dash cams. I tested them based on video clarity, night recording performance, parking mode reliability, ease of use, overall value. So whether you're looking for a budget dash cam or the best protection possible, there's a perfect option here. Let's start with number 5. At number 5, we have the Rove R2 4K. If you want a dash cam that records in ultra-clear 4K without spending a lot of money, this is one of the most popular choices. The camera captures incredibly detailed footage, making it easier to read license plates and road signs in case of an accident. It also includes built-in GPS, which records your speed and location along with the video footage. Another useful feature is the Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to quickly transfer recordings to your smartphone using the mobile app. You also get support for large memory cards, meaning hours of driving footage can be recorded without constantly deleting files. For drivers looking for a reliable dash cam on a budget, the Rove R2 4K is a strong choice. At number 4, we have the Red Tiger F7N Touch, and this dash cam is packed with features that make it feel far more premium than its price. The camera records in true 4K resolution on the front camera, while the rear camera captures 1080p full HD footage, giving you full front and rear coverage of your vehicle. One of the standout upgrades is the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which dramatically improves night recording performance, helping capture clearer footage in low-light conditions. That means even at night, you're much more likely to capture important details like license plates and road signs. Another feature that makes this camera unique is the voice control system. Instead of reaching for buttons while driving, you can simply use voice commands to lock important footage, turn on Wi-Fi, or capture a recording, which makes it much safer to use while on the road. The camera also includes a large 3.18-inch touchscreen, allowing you to easily review footage and change settings directly on the device. For connectivity, the Red Tiger F7N Touch supports high-speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which allows videos to download to your smartphone much faster than many other dash cams. It also includes built-in GPS, so every recording can show your speed, location, and driving route. Another huge advantage is that Red Tiger includes a 128GB memory card in the box, so you can start recording immediately without needing to buy extra storage. You also get features like loop recording, automatic incident detection with G-sensor, 24-hour parking monitoring, over-the-air firmware updates. Considering the performance, smart features, and included accessories, the Red Tiger F7N Touch is easily one of the best value dash cams available right now. Coming in at number 3 is the Rove R3. This dash cam is designed for drivers who want maximum protection from every angle. Instead of recording just the front view, the R3 includes 3 cameras. You get a front camera, a rear camera, and an interior cabin camera. This makes it especially useful for rideshare drivers like Uber or Lyft, because it records both inside and outside the vehicle. The cabin camera even includes infrared night vision, allowing it to capture clear video in complete darkness. It also features GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and parking monitoring, making it a very powerful dash cam system. If you want full coverage around your car, the Rove R3 is one of the best options available. At number 2, we have the Escort M2. This dash cam stands out because it works together with Escort radar detectors, creating a smart driver alert system. The camera records full HD video and includes GPS tracking, so every recording includes speed and location data. One of the most interesting features is the Mayday alert system, which can automatically notify a contact if a serious accident is detected. The camera also supports cloud storage, allowing you to access your recordings remotely. With features like voice alerts and parking monitoring, this dash cam adds an extra layer of safety for drivers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rove R2 Dual. For most drivers, this is the best dash cam you can buy in 2026. The reason is simple. It records both the front and rear of your vehicle. The front camera records in 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures 1080p video, giving you full coverage of what happens around your car. This camera also performs extremely well at night thanks to its advanced image sensor, which improves visibility in low light conditions. Other features include built-in GPS tracking, fast Wi-Fi video transfer, parking surveillance, support for large storage cards. Compared to many dash cams in this price range, the R2 Dual offers an excellent balance of video quality, reliability, and value. If you want a dash cam that protects both the front and rear of your vehicle, this is easily one of the best options available today. So those were the 5 best dash cams you can buy in 2026. If you want to check the latest prices or deals, you'll find all the product links in the description below. And before you go, I'm curious, which dash cam would you trust during an accident? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and drive safe.